When hiring a professional French drain installer, always take pictures after a heavy rainfall to show them the problem areas. That way when they come out to quote the job, it could be dry. It could be several days after that rain and that water is no longer standing there. So you're trying to explain the situation. Pictures are worth more than 1,000 words in this line of work. Always take pictures to show when having a French drain system professionally quoted out. So here we are. This is the first picture that the homeowner had for us. This run takes us out to the street. This is the end of the system. This picture is the back property line. That's where we are now. Ran the whole length of the back property line. This was a tremendous help. By having the pictures, the homeowner was able to just show 4 or 5 pictures. Nothing needed to be said. Then we went right to work on designing the system. Patio held water. Patio's flat, just like the backyard is. So we devised a system. We're going to pull up 5 rows of brick pavers and we'll remove that brick edging that's holding the water in. Going to softly swale the soil to the French drain. We're going to drain all the water off that patio. Back of the house holds water. Again, this yard is extremely flat. So we piped right up to the back. There's an end cap. We're going to grab the water, drain all that water out of there. Always take pictures of the problem areas after heavy rain to show the French drain installer when it needs to be done right the first time. Give us a call.